Most people talk about AI like it's magic. But in business, magic doesn't fly. If you can't tell the difference between machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI, then you're essentially making strategic decisions in the dark. If you have ever wondered, where do I get started with AI? You are in the right place. First things first, we hear a lot of terms thrown around: AI, ML, deep learning, generative AI, and it's easy to get them all mixed up. But trust me, they all fit together like nesting dolls. At the top, we have AI. Think of AI as the big overarching goal, building machines that can mimic human intelligence. That's the what piece. Inside that is the machine learning. This is the toolbox, the algorithms and statistical models that allow a machine to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. ML is the how. Now, inside ML is deep learning. This is where things start to get interesting. Deep learning uses deep, multi-layered neural networks. Think of them as digital brains inspired by our own brain to process data. DL makes image recognition, natural language processing, and all sorts of crazy stuff possible. And finally, at the core of all of the recent hype is generative AI. This is just a special type of deep learning model. The difference isn't in how they learn, but in what they learn. Traditional AI, or what we call discriminative AI, is about making a decision or classification. Think of it this way. If I give a discriminative AI a picture of a cat or a dog, its job is to tell me, is this a cat or a dog? It classifies that input. But generative AI, it doesn't classify. Its job is to create something entirely new. It produces open-ended content, entire essays, images, or high-definition videos. How does it do it though? This is the secret sauce. It's probabilistic. Instead of extracting data from a fixed database, GenAI generates pixels or text based on what is statistically likely to follow your input. It is a next token predictor, and this allows it to excel at mimicry and rephrasing, creating fluent content in seconds that would take a human hours. But, and this is a huge but for your business strategy, because it is a probability engine and not a logic engine, it can sometimes give you wrong answers. And that is what it's called hallucination. It produces information that sounds perfectly possible, but is factually incorrect. Understanding that GenAI is about creation through probability rather than classification through rules is the first step in mastering this field. Are you ready to see how you apply this?